good afternoon, guys. We are going home now. Today I finished at 2 o'clock. I am actually going to meet Cassie and Roi and their kids. And these are the things that I bought. Two drivers and this. At the moment we are here in Salamander Bay Shopping Square. And you notice that some of the shops are already closed. Actually, most of the shops are already closed, except the grocery. Yeah, and the Kmart department store, they are still open until 8 o'clock. And I'm actually waiting for Roi. Yeah, they are the one that is coming from Sydney. Alam nito at bawal dun. Jump. So yeah, we are at the moment here in Pacific Blue Hotel. This is one of my recommendation if you are coming here. Yeah, here in Port Stephen, Nelson Bay. And you know, this water is it's going around these houses. They have jacuzzi, this kind of like what I'm saying, this is surrounded this area. Yeah, this one is their camera. SD card.
Oh, dyan ka ba bumibili ng mga ano?
Oh, yeah. Yes, there is direct access to the water and to the parking area. We are going to unbox this.
Unboxing.
Oh. Nabibili na release ko. Sky Flakes.
Walang lala. Yan na yung frozen.
Fish cracker.
Kami na nagbibigay sa'yo.
Ang dami.
Sana kasya sa'yo yan. Hindi ko alam size mo eh.
Ganda nito oh.
Miranda, stop. Stop mistaking.
Malaki to pero kasya.
Mainit naman.
Mas. Bumili nga ako ng isang box na mas doon sa hindi ko naman lang ayos na eh. Hindi na YouTube. Ano ito, keychain o?
Keychain lang. Nakita namin, naalala ka na rin.
Favorite YouTuber ba?
Ano ba ito ha? Ayun yung fridge. Ayun yung fridge.
Ano yan?
Fridge.
Hindi, yun yung gusto ko.
Pinagawa pa to? Salamat. Mug. Pero bagay.
Parang pinagsipan lang kita eh, no?
Ayos sir.
Oh, sabay.
Sabay yan kuya. Meron kang plate number.
Abrodero din. Lugar. Plate number, abrodero. Pizza?
Pizza.
Pizza.
Parang alam mo na kung ano yan, eh, no?
Oh, may sala.
Come here.
We have a new wall clock. Papalitan ko na yung ano doon.
Yung, sabi ko,
Wall clock
sinungaling ko
doon.
yan.
Ba't tinanggal niya yung
Hindi, sabi ko, pag kinupit niya yung mali. Bakit ba? Bakit mo wag ginawa yun? Hindi nag-work yung...
Hindi na umiikot kasi tumatama doon sa karton. Parang basa yung karton nag-expand na siya.
Pag sabi mo,
Salamat.
may plate number na dapat, ha?
Salamat.
Sabi ko, meron tayong ano, pamasko kay kuya, birthday.
All of the above na yan. Kasi once a year ka lang namin nakikita.
Ay, hindi dumadao sa amin. Pag minsan dalawa sa amin.
Yo, good afternoon guys. Yeah, we're going home now. Yeah, today I finished at 2 o'clock. Oh, look at that. That kind of owner type Jeep. Nice looking. Yeah, this is how it is here today. There is one ferry. That's the Dolphin Watch. For the tourists, basically they will be roaming around in the water, and when they spot dolphins, they will stop there, and yeah, they will try to play with the dolphins. They have something like a net place where they can get the people can get down there and play in the water. Yeah, and in there we saw that there's one guy doing the kite surfing, and there are some people walking their dogs. You know, I'm really excited to go home because I'm hungry and I want to eat the pancit and yeah, the adobo that Cassie and Roi cook. Yeah, they gave me one takeaway container of adobo and one container of pancit. So that is going to be my lunch today. We are going home now. Okay, we are home. And oh, I don't have rice. And you know, this one I am supposed to make a porridge with this, but it's actually too less. This Skyflakes, this one is similar to Nabisco Premium that you can buy from Woolworths and Kohl's. And you see this also yesterday, t-shirt. Too much, they gave me too much things. And this, we're going to have a coffee with this. Yeah, while waiting for the rice to cook, we're going to have a coffee. If you can see, that's me. Abrodero in YouTube, Abrodero in Instagram, Abrodero in Facebook. Good afternoon guys. I just woke up. I was really tired when I finished my work. I got home, I am supposed to organize these things that are coming from Cassie and Roi, but I fall asleep. The time now is 5:44. I didn't eat yet. My rice is already cooked. Okay, we are going to eat now. This is adobo and pancit. I'm actually supposed to meet them. Supposed to go to their hotel. I was feeling really tired. Yeah, this much. And this one tomorrow. And of course some of this adobo. Very delicious. Adobo is becoming more tastier as it grows older. I mean, yeah, after another day it's becoming more delicious. is forecast that there is a rain, 70% chance of rain tomorrow. Yeah, this really is a lot, but I'm going to finish it. Yo, good afternoon guys. I didn't really notice the time. It is already 3 o'clock. Yeah, I'm actually editing my video. Yeah. Oh, this watch. You notice this watch? This is new. This is coming from Cassie and Roi. Yeah, nice. Looks expensive. And I noticed that this one is keeps on moving, very smooth. And the old one is going to be here. I don't know where I think it's okay in there. Yeah, I have in here. I have this barefoot investor. Yeah. Manual. Another book. And I have this. You've seen this before. This is white wine or black wine or red wine. White wine. Yeah, some mess. I didn't really notice the time. It's already 3 o'clock. I was busy editing video, trying to figure out how this editor really works. Yeah, I am using a Filmora 9 to edit my video, and you know there are many features that you can explore, experiment, and learn new different ideas that you can't do with the iMovie. iMovie is very basic but really easy to use. Yeah, with Filmora, now it is Filmora 10, and yeah, so many features. Okay, so yeah, I just washed my trouser and my apron, and I'm going to do the rest tomorrow. Because the sun just shows up at around 3 o'clock, so that's why I started to wash it, and now it's going to drying. Yeah, it was gloomy. Looks like it is going to rain this morning until 2-3 o'clock. And according to the forecast, there is a rain, but there is none. Yeah, so we are going out now. And look at that. Yeah, I just checked myself in the mirror, and when I come back here, it is already dark outside. Yeah, there's a dark clouds. On this side is still good. This sky is blue. But in here, the sun is already covered by the dark clouds. And I'm actually now preparing this. I'm supposed to bring coffee along the way on my bike. And there is also some thunder. I better move the clothes. It's raining. It's heavy rain. It is now 7:15. Yeah, 7:19. And outside this is still bright. Yeah. And there is no more rain. Actually, the sunset was showing a little bit. That's why we are going out. Oh, the sunset already. And yeah, it's still bright in here. It is going to be totally dark at around 8 o'clock. We just go out because I want to see outside in here. I have no plan of buying anything or eating somewhere, but we don't know. It's just because I was in the house for the whole day. Oh, this restaurant is busy. Yeah, busy inside. I can see from here. Even this Thai restaurant, they are also busy. Also, this is busy. you can hear them. Yeah, those are lorikeet. Very noisy. Oh, this is the first time that I see this so much high tide. Yeah, the water is really up in here. Yeah, that's usually down lower, but now it is very much high tide. And at the moment, there's one guy there fishing, people walking, another guy fishing, and there is group of friends in there. The time now is maybe 7:45, and this is how it is in this side. There are some people, they are fishing, and yeah, there are more in there. And there is one busy restaurant here, but if they are just ordering drinks, it is okay, not busy for the kitchen. All the lights of the street are all on. Yeah, we maybe are going to the grocery. In the night, you're going to see how it looks inside. Notice that those restaurants, they are busy. And even that Chinese restaurant where I usually go, yeah, they are also busy. I can see many people in there. You notice that whenever I go to that restaurant, I was the only person eating, because I go there in the wrong time, like 11 o'clock, 10 o'clock, or 3 o'clock. Okay, we're going to leave the bike there, and we're going to buy something that is ready to eat.